The surface temperature of the world's oceans has hit its highest ever level as climate breakdown from burning fossil fuels causes the oceans to heat. Global average daily sea surface temperatures, that is SST, hit 20.96 degrees Celsius this week, breaking the record of 20.95 degrees Celsius reached in 2016, according to Copernicus Climate Modeling Service. Scientists say it is likely the record will continue to be broken, as usually oceans are at their hottest globally in March, not August. The ocean temperature records are being broken around the world with dire consequences for the health of the planet, and the Earth does not benefit from this signal. It follows a pattern of global sea surface temperature records and marine heat waves. Meanwhile, the Mediterranean Sea recorded its highest ever surface temperature last week at 28.71 degrees Celsius. Waters around the Florida Keys were similar to the temperature of a hot tub, hitting highs of just over 38 degrees Celsius and possibly breaking a world record. Last Friday, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration (NOAA) reported that the North Atlantic may be the hottest it has ever been. So, what has led to the record-breaking rise in ocean temperature? It is likely the temperatures are partly driven by the El Nino weather phenomena. 2016 was also an El Nino year. However, these weather patterns are probably exacerbated by climate breakdown and the heating atmosphere. The more we burn fossil fuels, the more excess heat will be taken out by the oceans, which means the longer it will take to stabilize them and get them back to where they were. This week, the British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak announced more than 100 new oil and gas licenses in the North Sea, against the advice of climate experts. What impact would such a record-breaking rise in temperature have? The oceans are the ones that absorb heat, surge control weather patterns, and act as carbon sinks. But if the temperature continues to rise, they will become less efficient at carrying out these functions, which will have a ripple effect on the climate. According to the cycle, as ocean temperatures rise, they are likely to become less effective at absorbing carbon dioxide, which leads the amount of this greenhouse gas in the atmosphere to rise. Due to the severity of sea level rise, ice also melts, and high ocean temperature also increases the chance of hurricanes, cyclones, storms, and extreme weather. Rising ocean temperatures are causing disruptions in marine ecosystems. Some fish and whale species are migrating to cooler waters, which disturbs the food chain. The increased heat is also posing a significant risk to coral reefs, such as those of the coast of Florida, which are now at high risk of bleaching due to the marine heat wave. Marine heat waves are becoming more numerous, a 2019 study found, with the number of heat wave days having tripled in the past couple of years studied. The number of heat wave days rose by more than 50% in the 30 years to 2016 compared with 1925 to 1954. Some of the fastest warming areas are part of the Arctic Ocean, the Baltic Sea, the Black Sea, and parts of the extratropical Pacific.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.